Welcome to Odoo 218, Accounting Mastery, from Basics to Advanced Skills, brought to you by Masters Academy. This comprehensive course is designed to equip you with the knowledge and hands-on experience needed to confidently manage accounting processes within Odoo 18. Whether you are a beginner looking to understand the fundamentals or an experienced user aiming to master advanced features, this course will guide you through everything from chart of accounts setup and journal entries to automated reporting, reconciliations, and financial analysis. By the end of this program, you'll have the expertise to streamline accounting operations and make informed financial decisions using Odoo 18. Optimize financial management and reporting. Unlock Odoo 18's full accounting potential and streamline your finances. Take your accounting skills to the next level with our comprehensive Odoo 18 accounting course. Whether you're an accountant, finance professional, or Odoo user, this course is designed to provide you with practical knowledge and hands-on expertise in managing every aspect of accounting within Odoo 18. From mastering the chart of accounts and taxes to advanced financial tracking, budgeting, and inventory valuation, you'll learn how to streamline your accounting workflows, improve reporting accuracy, and optimize financial decision-making. By the end of this course, you will confidently navigate Odoo 18's accounting modules, implement best practices, and leverage advanced features to drive efficiency and growth in your organization. Course content: Foundational Accounting in Odoo 18. Introduction to Accounting Management, Chart of Accounts, Taxes, Journals, and Payment Terms. Top tips for setting up a journal in Odoo 18. Streamlining your accounting workflow. Odoo 18, how to personalize your chart of accounts for maximum efficiency. Why contact management is crucial in Odoo 18 for building strong customer relationships. Advanced accounting and financial management. Advanced accounting in Odoo 18, multi-currency management, ledgers and reporting, budgeting, deferred entries, and WIP accounts in Odoo 18 accounting. Financial control in Odoo 18, budgets, deferred revenue/expenses, and reporting. In budgets, WIP, and deferred transactions in Odoo 18. Odoo 18, accounting essentials, budget management, reporting, and lock dates. Advanced financial tracking in Odoo 18, deferred items, WIP accounts, and lock date configuration. Mastering core accounting operations. Master Odoo 18 accounting. Simplify invoicing, payments, revenue, and reconciliation. Configuring Odoo 18 accounting. Opening balances, budget management, automatic transfers, and multi-company accounts. Mastering Odoo 18 accounting, from user rights to dynamic reports and automated assets. How to tailor your Odoo 18 reports effectively for clearer insights. Inventory and localization accounting. Odoo localization in action, boosting efficiency and driving growth. Transform your inventory accounting with Odoo 18. Strategies for accuracy and efficiency. Optimize your Odoo 18 inventory valuation process for accuracy and efficiency. How to configure standard cost in Odoo 18 for precise inventory management. How to leverage AVCO in Odoo 18. Financial management for smarter inventory valuation. Understanding FIFA and valuation in Odoo 18. Practical steps for accurate accounting. How to effectively track inventory adjustments in Odoo 18 for accurate stock management. How Odoo 18 enhances scrap inventory management for greater efficiency. Effective methods for tracking landed costs in Odoo 18. Optimizing your supply chain. Who this course is for: accountants and finance professionals looking to master Odoo 18. Odoo users seeking practical knowledge in accounting and reporting. Business owners and managers aiming to optimize financial operations. Anyone looking to streamline accounting workflows and improve reporting accuracy. What you'll achieve: full proficiency in Odoo 18 accounting modules, ability to manage budgets, deferred entries, and WIP accounts effectively, expertise in inventory valuation, standard costing, and multi-currency operations, enhanced reporting skills, and financial control for better decision-making, streamlined accounting workflows, and automation of repetitive processes. Transform the way you manage accounting with Odoo 18. This comprehensive course takes you from the fundamentals of accounting setup to advanced financial management techniques, giving you practical, hands-on expertise. Learn to manage charts of accounts, taxes, journals, multi-currency operations, budgets, WIP accounts, inventory valuation, and much more. Gain the skills to automate workflows, generate accurate reports, optimize inventory and financial tracking, and make data-driven decisions that drive business growth. Whether you're an accountant, finance professional, business owner, or Odoo user, this course equips you to master Odoo 18 accounting efficiently. What you'll gain: mastery of Odoo 18 accounting modules, from setup to advanced financial management, ability to manage budgets, deferred entries, WIP accounts, and multi-currency transactions, advanced inventory accounting, costing and valuation skills, streamlined workflows, automated reporting, and enhanced decision-making, practical knowledge to improve efficiency, accuracy, and compliance in your organization. Thank you for taking the time to explore our Odoo 18 Accounting Mastery from Basics to Advanced Skills course. We're excited to help you unlock the full potential of Odoo 18 and elevate your accounting expertise. Don't wait to transform your skills. Enroll today and start your journey toward mastering both the fundamentals and advanced techniques that will empower you to streamline financial operations, make smarter business decisions, and stand out in your career. Your next level of accounting mastery is just a click away.